Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Learn Gujarati. I hope you guys are doing well. So, let's start with our today's session. My dear friends, today we will learn Gujarati phrases for tourists. So, this is kind of series where I will come with couple of phrases which may helpful for you while you are traveling to Gujarat or while you are traveling and when you need a phrases to talk people in Gujarati. So first we'll go with transportation. So the very first sentence is I need a taxi is equals મને taxi જોઈએ છે. I need a taxi is equals મને taxi જોઈએ છે. Here need is equals જોઈએ છે. In this sentence need is equals જોઈએ છે. The very next sentence is Can you call me a taxi? શું તમે મારી માટે ટેક્સી બોલાવી શકો? Can you call me a taxi? શું તમે મારી માટે ટેક્સી બોલાવી શકો? So guys, in this sentence, can you is equals શું તમે can you is equals શું તમે and for call me a taxi is equals મારી માટે taxi બોલાવી શકો. So like if you want to ignore the word શું, you can straight away ask તમે મારી માટે taxi બોલાવી શકો, but there a slightly questionary kind of expression you need in your gesture. Alright? The very next sentence is Where is the nearest bus stop? Where is the nearest bus stop? So guys, I would like to tell you one thing that for nearest in Gujarati we can use સૌથી નજીક. For nearest we can say સૌથી નજીક in Gujarati. Alright? So the complete sentence will be સૌથી નજીક bus stop ક્યાં છે? I am repeating. Where is the nearest bus stop? સૌથી નજીક bus stop ક્યાં છે? Guys, in this sentence, where is equals ક્યાં છે. Where is means ક્યાં છે in Gujarati. So again, the complete sentence will be સૌથી નજીક bus stop ક્યાં છે. Okay. The very next sentence is I need to go to the airport. મારે એરપોર્ટ જાવું છે. I need to go to the airport is equals મારે એરપોર્ટ જાવું છે. Alright? The very next sentence is Where is the railway station? So guys, as you know, where is equals ક્યાં છે and the rest you can set as it is. So the complete sentence will be railway station ક્યાં છે. Where is the railway station is equals railway station ક્યાં છે. So guys, this sentence you can make by your own self as well. Wherever you need to ask with the word where is, you have to use ક્યાં છે in Gujarati. Let's say for example, I am finding an airport. So what I'll do is where is the airport is equals airport ક્યાં છે. Or maybe a bus stand. So the same way bus stand क्या छे? Alright guys, it's very simple. The very next sentence is I need to rent a car. I need to rent a car. મારે કાર ભાડે લેવી છે. So guys, in this sentence, rent is equals ભાડે. Rent is equals ભાડે. I am repeating. I need to rent a car. મારે કાર ભાડે લેવી છે. Like that. The very next sentence here is where is the nearest car rental agency? So guys, as you know, the meaning of nearest in Gujarati, we can use સૌથી નજીક. For nearest in Gujarati, we can use સૌથી નજીક. So the complete sentence will be સૌથી નજીક કાર રેન્ટલ એજન્સી ક્યાં છે? સૌથી નજીક કાર રેન્ટલ એજન્સી ક્યાં છે? Nearest is equals સૌથી નજીક. And for where is, we can use ક્યાં છે. For where is, we can use ક્યાં છે. So guys, I am repeating for you. Where is the nearest car rental agency? In Gujarati, સૌથી નજીક કાર રેન્ટલ એજન્સી ક્યાં છે? The very next sentence is how much does it cost to get to the airport? Is equals airport જવા માટે કેટલું ભાડું થશે? So guys, as you know, for cost or for any price related things, you can use the word is ભાડું or ખર્ચ. ભાડું or ખર્ચ. Or directly you can say money also. They will understand. But the key word over here in Gujarat, you can use કેટલું ભાડું થશે or કેટલો ખર્ચ થશે. ભાડું or ખર્ચ. These two words you can use when it comes to expense or cost related things. So I am repeating for you. How much does it cost to get to the airport? Is equals airport જવા માટે કેટલું ભાડું થશે? Get to the airport is equals જવા માટે. Airport જવા માટે. Like that. The very next sentence is can I park here? So guys, as you know, for can I, we can use શું હું. For can I, we can use શું હું. Okay. Now the complete sentence will be શું હું અહીંયા park કરી શકું? Now if it is related to car parking, you simply have to add car word just before park. So the complete sentence can be શું હું અહીંયા કાર પાર્ક કરી શકું? Okay, can I is equals શું હું. You know, we can start like that in our Gujarati sentences. The very next, where is the nearest gas station? So my dear friends, as you know, the meaning of nearest in Gujarati, we can say સૌથી નજીક. The meaning of nearest in Gujarati is સૌથી નજીક. Nearest is equals સૌથી નજીક. So the complete sentence will be સૌથી નજીક પેટ્રોલ પંપ ક્યાં છે? Where is the nearest gas station? સૌથી નજીક પેટ્રોલ પંપ ક્યાં છે? In this sentence, where is equals ક્યાં છે. As we know, the meaning of where is ક્યાં છે. It's very simple, guys. Alright, the very next sentence over here is I am lost. Can you help me? I am lost. Can you help me? Okay. So, in Gujarati, we can say હું ભૂલો પડ્યો છું. મને મદદ કરશો? In this sentence, I am lost is equals હું ભૂલો પડ્યો છું. In this sentence, I am lost is equals હું ભૂલો પડ્યો છું. And for can you help me? We can say મને મદદ કરશો? Here, help is equals મદદ. Here, help is equals મદદ. Alright, guys? The very next sentence is I am late for my flight. I am late for my flight. મારી ફ્લાઇટ માટે મને મોડું થઈ રહ્યું છે. I am late for my flight. મારી ફ્લાઇટ માટે મને મોડું થઈ રહ્યું છે. So my dear friends, in this sentence, late is equals મોડું. Late is equals મોડું. And you can also say મને ફ્લાઇટ માટે મોડું થઈ રહ્યું છે. મને ફ્લાઇટ માટે મોડું થઈ રહ્યું છે. So the main and the key word over here is મોડું, and which we can use for the word late. Alright, guys, I am repeating for you. I am late for my flight. મારી ફ્લાઇટ માટે મને મોડું થઈ રહ્યું છે. The very next sentence is I need to catch a train. I need to catch a train is equals મારે ટ્રેન પકડવી છે. I need to catch a train is equals મારે ટ્રેન પકડવી છે. So guys, in this sentence, catch is equals પકડવી. Catch is equals પકડવી. I am repeating for you. I need to catch a train. મારે ટ્રેન પકડવી છે. Okay. The very next sentence here is I am on my way. I am on my way is equals હું રસ્તામાં છું. I am on my way is equals હું રસ્તામાં છું. Alright, guys, it's very simple. I am here. I am here is equals હું અહીંયા છું. I am here. હું અહીંયા છું. I am here is equals હું અહીંયા છું. So in this sentence, here is equals અહીંયા. In this sentence, here is equals અહીંયા. Alright. The very next sentence over here is thank you for your help. Thank you for your help So, guys, as you know, the meaning of help in Gujarati is madad. And for thank you, you know the very well, aabhar. Okay, so the complete sentence will be madad badal aabhar. Thank you for your help is equals madad badal aabhar. Very simple, guys. The very next is you're welcome. You're welcome is equals koi વાંધો nahi. You are welcome. So in Gujarati, we can say koi વાંધો nahi. So whenever someone says thank you, you can reply koi વાંધો nahi. You can reply koi વાંધો nahi. Thank you so much for watching this video. Now, upcoming session on the tourist phrases only, but it will be regarding accommodation. So, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel to get more videos on Gujarati language tutorial. Thank you, my dear friends, to watching and stay safe, stay blessed. Jai Shri Krishna.